Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is modifier. And this question is very easy actually if you follow certain pattern, if you follow certain idea, and if you know the concept how to apply it. So first of all, just glance it and try to get that what is the intended meaning, what it wants to convey. It says an artistic presence of the first order, one frequently ranked with Picasso, S and James Joyce, Martha Graham. So what it wants to say, artistic presence, all right, and ranking with these three. It's mean what person can be ranking with someone, right? So Martha is correct noun to modify this modifier. Now look here and remember, whenever noun is with apostrophe, modifier modifies next to noun. So the whole modifier will modify next to apostrophe, and that is called acclaim. What if there is no apostrophe? In that case it can modify previous noun. All right, if it is with apostrophe, it will modify next to noun. It's been what it says, artistic presence and then acclaim. Artistic presence, acclaim. Artistic presence, acclaim. So acclaim cannot be artistic presence. That's why C, D, E out. All right. All three have common error, and that is called modifier error. Left with A and B. So after that it says Graham was acclaimed to be a great dancer or as a great dancer. Whenever we use to plus be means what, we expect something for future. But here, because it wants to say that they are equal to these people, and that is why as should be used, not to be. Whenever we use to plus be or to plus any verb, it takes to future. And here the intention is not that they will become, Martha will become, but it wants to say that Martha is equal to these people, and that's why it should be as. So option B out, A becomes best option.